नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, वड़कम, गुड इवनिंग। मैं सुधांशु पांडे, मैथ्स एंड फन में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज की क्लास में एक बार फिर से हम अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन चैप्टर नंबर 5 ग्रेड 10 का लेके चल रहे हैं और उसके अंदर किस तरीके के कॉन्सेप्ट्स आते हैं, वो कौन सी टेक्निक्स हैं, वो कौन से तरीके हैं जिनसे हम सवालों को बहुत जल्दी कर लेते हैं, उसको हम करेंगे। आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे, आराध्या, अदिति, कृतिक, वर्तिका, असद, लक्ष्मी, आलिया और साथ में सौम्य और कियान। ये सब नाम इसलिए बताता हूं ताकि आप ये ना कहें कि सर आपकी क्लास कोई नहीं देख रहा है। ठीक है, बहुत सारे बच्चे देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं और इतने ही बच्चे काफी हैं। शुरू करते हैं क्लास को। सो इन द लास्ट क्लास वी हैव सेट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ arithmetic progression. So I want to hear from Alia. Alia, you are going to give the exam. So tell me, what is the definition of arithmetic progression? Now she is looking back at the page. Tell me, what is the definition of arithmetic progression? So it is a list of numbers.
A list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except its first term, called arithmetic progression.
Except the first term. Okay, you have to absorb the definition in your blood. So it is a list of numbers. What we write a list of numbers in which every term, when you are writing using the comma, in which every term you get by adding a fixed constant to the preceding term. Suppose I want to find the third term, so I will add a fixed number to the second term. Suppose I want to find the 14th term, so I will add constant number to the 13th term. Are you getting this? So the fixed number is known as constant. That fixed number is known as constant, and that constant is known as common difference. Which is also known as slope of the graph, which is also known as rate in linear equation. Have you heard of taxi fare? The question like taxi fare, the question like librarian, the rate. It is same as D. It is same as D. So what is the AP of the form? If I want to write the general term, how I am going to write the general term? General term is of the form AN plus B. What is the general term of the AP? It is AN plus B. Where what is A? What is A? Tell me. It is the common difference.
सर इसमें D लिखते हैं ना, D इक्वल्स कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है ना।
सो बेटा इसमें जो A है ना वही कॉमन डिफरेंस है। मैं आपको यही बताना चाहता हूं। The coefficient of this n is the, what is it? It is the common difference. And what is the first term? What is the first term? The first term is so A is common difference, and if I ask you what is A plus B, so A plus B is the first term. Let me give you an example. The AP is written, the general term of the AP is written as 7s plus 3. Quickly tell me, what is the common difference? What is the first term?
7 common difference. 7 common difference.
7 is the common difference and 10 is the first term. How you will get the first term? I will write A1. So instead of n, I will write 7 into 1 plus 3, that is 10. Let us say what is A2. A2 is going to be 7 times 2 plus 3. So 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So A2 is 17. So if I want to get what is D, I will say D is A2 minus A1, which is equal to 17 minus 10, which is equal to 7. The thing which you are getting in 1 minute, you will get in seconds. If you know this, are you getting it? Is that clear to everybody? Aradhya, Kritik, Alia, clear? Okay. So this is one form of looking at AP. Clear? What is the second form? The second form of AP is AN can be considered as A plus n minus 1 into D. Are you aware of how this formula is arrived? How we will say the first term? First term is what? A, because except the first term, the all numbers, all other terms are we get by adding a fixed term to the preceding term. So if I want to find what is A2, I will add common difference D to A. Suppose I want to add A3. So what I will do, I will add D to A2. I will add the common difference to the preceding term. What was A2? A2 was A plus D. So this will become A plus 2D. Is that clear? Can you immediately tell me how I can write A14 as? Tell me quickly how I will write A14 as. It will be A plus
13D.
What will be A99? Tell me. It will be A plus
Plus 98.
Wonderful.
Plus 98D.
Very good. What will be AN then? It will be A plus.
N minus
N
1D.
minus
Understood? How many variables? How many variables? 4 variables. How many kind of questions you expect? 4 different kind of questions. In one question they will ask you what is the nth term. In the second question they will ask you what is the first term. In another question they will ask you what is the number of the term, which term of the AP is 13. Then they will ask you what is the common difference, find the common difference of the AP. So up to here, any doubt? And if I want to calculate anything, let us say AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I told you that is the story of variable. You remember that? The story of the variable? If I want to find A, what is the formula I am going to use? AN minus N minus 1 times D. If I want to find D, story of D is AN minus A
minus A upon N minus 1.
Very good. If I want to find N,
AN minus A upon
minus
plus
A
1.
by D plus 1.
any doubt? Okay. So what are the values of D? D can be greater than 0. D can be less than equal to 0. D can be less than 0. So there is no condition that is applied for D. D can be any real number. For that I will write D is element of R, where R represents real number. It is not the rational number. Is that clear to everybody? Okay. Now some of the formula which are not given in the book, but I have derived. So let us come to that formula. So sometimes you may be given the difference between seventeenth term and 27th term is 40. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. So you think of an AP as a number line. You should think of the AP as a number line in which you have a starting point which is A.
सर 4 होगा शायद common difference.
Very good. In which the starting point is A and then you keep on jumping D, 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 D like that. Right? Now imagine you are standing on the 17th term and your one step is D. From 17th to 27th term, how much jump you will take? How many times you will jump? Tell me. 10 times.
10.
That means 10 times D is equal to, what is the difference between them? 40. So that means D is going to be 4. Are you getting it? So you will see such kind of questions and then you will be given if the first term is 19, find the, let us say 30th term, 31st term, find the 31st term in the same question, So you got D, what is the first term? 19. So A31 is going to be A plus 30D. So A is how much? 19. 30 times what is D? 4. So it is going to be 19 plus 120, which is equal to 139. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Can you repeat the question, the second part? I didn't understand it.
Okay, I tell beta in the same question, the question is asked you, if the first term is 19, find the 31st term. So to find any term, you need two things. One is the first term, one is the common difference. So common difference was already calculated as 4. Now they have given you the first term, you can easily find that. Easy? Any doubt up to here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us do some questions now. So first of all, we will see whether we are able to find out whether a particular thing is in AP or not. Okay? So in that I am going to give you a question and you have to be smart enough to take out the square root, to simplify the square root, because it looks not to be in AP but it is in AP. So last time I am going to ask you these questions, just check it out. Tell me, is the list of first number an AP or not?
No, it's not an AP.
It's
No,
not
sir.
an AP. Why? Because 3 minus 1 is not equal to 9 minus 3, because A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. What about the second term?
It is
This-
an AP, sir.
This is an AP?
It is not multiplied, but it is, I mean, it's not added, but it's multiplied with,
AP hai?
sir.
Tell me what
Can
is the
you hear
common
me?
difference? A? If I do A square minus A, will I get A?
Yeah.
Come on dear. You can't do A square minus A. They are unlike terms. You
Sir,
can.
your voice is
सर दे आर
It's raining here.
कॉमन निकालेंगे इनका ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए कॉमन आ गया तो ए माइनस 1 वैसा.
Okay, let me check. So whatever you are saying with your own logic, I am doing the same thing. Can you tell me A square minus A is equal to A cube minus A square? Are they equal? Are they equal?
No, sir.
How they are equal?
No, they're not.
It's not an AP. It's a GP यार आलिया. Come on. A से multiply हो रहा है. It is a GP. A square by A is A cube by A square is A. So वो तो GP है ना. A से multiply हो रहा है. How come it is an AP? Come on. नहीं.
Okay.
पर AP तो बड़ा है, so ये AP तो नहीं है. This is not AP. Are you getting it? If you want to
Yes,
check, you
sir.
can replace it by a number यार. You just replace it by a number. Let us say 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4. Okay? Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is what? 4. And 16 minus 8 is what? 8. So are we adding the same number?
No.
We are adding a different number. It is being multiplied, not added. So this is not an AP. Alright, if you get the question like this, which of the following is an AP? I hope that you are not going to click on this option. Alia, is that clear to you? Lakshmi, are you clear beta? This is not an AP. There is no difference between these two numbers. Here A is 3. You can think of it as 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3. Here also A to the power 1, A square, A cube, A to the power 4. Both are GP, geometric progression. What about this? Tell me, is this an AP or not? Question number 13. Is that an AP or not? Tell me. Is question number 13 an AP or not? Partika, बताओ. I want the answers from you.
No sir.
No, AP नहीं है. Okay. वालिया तुम बताओ बेटा, AP है कि नहीं है?
सर पता नहीं।
पता नहीं, बाप रे. सौम्या तुम बताओ. स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा, एवरीबॉडी टू स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. एक एक करके बंद करते जाते हो यार, लाइट ऑफ कर देते हो क्या? हाँ बताओ अदिति, AP है कि नहीं है?
पता नहीं सर।
पता ही नहीं तुम लोगों को. आराध्या तुम बताओ. है कॉमन डिफरेंस बताओ फिर. AP का एक ही रूल होता है, कॉमन डिफरेंस. यू टेल मी द कॉमन डिफरेंस इफ इट इज एन AP. Kritik, tell me, is it an AP?
I don't know it sir.
You also don't know. Asad? नहीं पता सर. असद बताओ, कैमरा ऑन करो.
नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. Okay. Now tell me, any of you tell me, can I do root 3 minus root 5? Can I do this? Can I subtract root 3 minus root 5? No. I can only subtract root 3 minus 2 root 3 or 3 root 3. These has to be like terms. I can't add irrational numbers. My son here is saying root 6 minus root 3 is equal to root 3. Come on. Is this true? You fool. Root 6 minus root 3 is what? It is root 6 minus root 3 only. You can't subtract. Okay? Root 9 minus root 6 is what? You can't do that. Irrational numbers cannot be added. Irrational numbers cannot be added. Only they can, their coefficient is added. Are you getting it? Alia, aa raha hai samajh mein? So this is not an AP. It looks like an AP.
GP है।
हाँ?
GP तो नहीं है।
GP भी नहीं है. It is nothing. Not an AP, not a GP. जरूरी नहीं है who is an AP, who is not an AP can be GP. It can be neither. Aradhya, clear है बेटा?
Yes sir.
Kritik, is that clear? This is not an AP. Okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, what about the next one? I want you to, everybody to calculate. है? Aradhya has
24
calculated.
common difference sir.
Okay. Kian, बताओ बेटा. Is this an AP? है? What is the common difference? Okay. Kritik, AP है?
Yes sir.
Okay, so 5 square minus 1 is how much? 24. 49 minus 25 is 24. 73 minus 49 is going to be 24. So this is an AP because the common difference is 24. All right, Vardhika, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Let me check. Question number 10. Is this an AP?
Sir, the first one is AP.
First one is AP. Very good, Lakshmi. What is the common difference?
A.
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 Okay. Okay.
One.
Tell me this one. Tell me the 12th one. Is it an AP or not? I will give you a hint.
sir.
Simplify it. I will give you the hint. Simplify the number. Simplify. Take out the square from that number. Then tell me.
Yes sir.
Not an AP or is an AP?
Yes sir.
Hai? Okay.
No,
What
sir,
is?
it is not an AP.
Why it is not an AP? What is the first number? What is the second number?
2. Then,
What is the third number? What is the next number?
Oh, okay.
Is it not an AP? It is an AP.
It is an AP.
They will bluff you. You have to be very careful. It looks like it is not an AP, but it is an AP. All right? You might be thinking, sir, how can I subtract under root 8 minus under root 2? You said irrational numbers cannot be subtracted. I told you, but those irrational numbers are different irrational numbers. They are like terms. They are root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2. So what is the common difference here? The common difference is square root of 2. All right?
Root 2.
What about the next one? Is it an AP?
No sir.
It is not an AP, sir.
It is not an AP because the common difference is not same. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Is that clear to everybody? Okay. So nth term of the AP we have already found out. Now taking out some questions. So from the question, the language of the question, you need to figure out what is being asked. What do you need to figure out? What is being asked? I hope the question is visible to you.
Yes, sir. We have to find
Okay.
is
The question is, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 dot 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 is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. So tell me, what can you conclude? What is the information that you can draw out from looking at this question? What is the first thing you can draw out? Tell me.
the common
Difference.
You
is
can
3.
draw out what is first term.
Common difference is minus 3.
Then you can draw out what is the common difference.
Yeah, first.
Then you can find what is being given as an. So what is being asked? What is being asked?
Minus 3.
N. No, you have been asked what is n. Are you getting it? If I want to do this question, what is the first information I will write? I will write A is equal to 21. Then I will write D is equal to 18 minus 21, which is equal to negative 3. Then I will write AN is equal to negative 81. What is being asked? N is asked. I told you what is the formula for N. I want everybody to tell me what is N now. Let me see who does first. And I will give you not more than 30 seconds.
Sir, n is equal to an minus a by d. An which is 80 minus 81 minus minus 21 by 3. It is plus 1, so it is 20 minus 21. 21. Oh, 35.
35.
Is that clear?
35 something.
Is that clear to everyone? Alia, tell me beta.
Yes.
वर्तिका आया आपका?
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi, very good. How you got 21?
Sir, sir, what?
How you got 21?
No, no, sir. I thought the term was 81. Like, I know.
Okay. Now the second question. Also, is any term 0? So if 0 is the part of this AP, then n must be a natural number. N should belong to n. So now again take an as 0 and just tell me what is n coming as. Find n when an is equal to 0. Find n when an is equal to 0. Let me see who finds first. What is the value of n?
7.
7. Somebody is saying 8, somebody is saying 7.
8.
8 है? So 0
हाँ
minus.
सर 8 होगा सॉरी.
So n is equal to 8. Very good. So is any term 0? The answer is yes. How you will prove it? Because n belongs to a natural number. So if n belongs to a natural number, it is the term. You can't have so all the terms are natural number. You have first term, second term, third term. You don't have 1.5 term in the AP. There is no 1.5 term in the AP. Are you getting it? Is this question clear to everybody? Let's move on to the next question. So determine the AP. Whenever this kind of question comes, you have to write first 3 terms of the AP. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Third term, I told you, third term and seventh term. What is the difference between those 2 terms? And how will that be equal to? What is the jump from 3 to 7? What is the jump? 4D. So 4D is equal to 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. So what is D?
1.
D is 1. Now you have the formula. The third term is 5. So you must write A plus 2D is equal to 5. Find what is A. Find what is A. And then form the AP. AP निकाल दो बेटा, शुरू के 3 टर्म लिख दो.
3. 1, 2.
Okay. So let me show you how to do this question. You must have all done it already, but I am showing you. So you will write A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to 5. Then you will write A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to 9. So let this be the equation 1, this be the equation 2. So A7 minus A3 is equal to 4D. I told you what is the leap. The jump is 4 times I am doing the jump. A will be cancelled by A. 6 minus 2 is 4D, which is equal to 4. So D will come out as 1. Substitute this value in the first equation. So A plus 2 times 1 is equal to 5. A will come out as 3. So the AP will be, you will write AP is equal to 3, comma, what is the common difference? 1. So 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. This is how you have to write. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Example 6. The same question as we have done it already. The question of 0, finding whether it is a form of the AP or not. So you have to check this number as it is forming an AP or not. All right. So the question is, I want everybody to do this by yourself. Tell me, is 301 is a term of the list of the numbers? This, you need to find the first term, find the common difference, find whether 301 is the part of AP or not. If n is a natural number, it is the part of AP. If n is not a natural number, it is not the part of an AP.
Sir.
So is that the part of the AP? The answer is no. Why? Because I found n as 51 by 3. 51 by 3. How many of you got n as 51 by 3? Tell me.
सर डेसिमल में निकाल सकते हैं क्या?
Why you need a decimal, beta? Why you are doing extra hard work? That is not required. 51 by 3 is fine. I just told you to convert it into mixed fraction. 50 whole number 1 by 3. No, 51 by 3 तो 17 होता है. 51 by 3. 51 by 3 means, so you will write, since n is not an element of natural number, therefore 301 So I'm writing here for you. Okay, please write down how you are going to show it. You will write because you know this owl, three eyes, two eyes of owl and one nose. This means because or since. Since n is not an element of, you have to use mathematical language, not an element of n, therefore 301 is not the term of given AP. First of all, these kind of questions doesn't come in the examination, but they do come in your unit test. You will not be given this kind of question in the examination. Examination questions are completely different. That I'll show you. But you must acknowledge these questions as well. How to do it. So is that clear to everyone? Alia, for you, is it clear? Shall we proceed? Okay. Next question. So whenever you've been given a question, the first thing of an AP, you need to figure out what is the first term, what is the common difference. Again, in front of you, you have been given a question, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So the first thing you need to figure out is, what is the smallest number, two-digit, which is divisible by 3? What is that?
12.
What is the smallest two-digit number which is divisible by 3? 12. What is the highest two-digit number which is divisible by 3? 99. Now tell me what is A? Tell me what is A? What is D? What is N? What is being asked? Can you find it? Can you find it quickly? Tell me what is N? How many numbers are there? How many two-digit numbers are there divisible by 3? Okay. 30? Okay.
30.
Okay, everybody 30 correct? Very good. Wonderful. So let me also check. So 99 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 1. So this is going to be 87 by 3, which is 29 plus 1 is 30. Wonderful, beta. Very well done. Okay. Now you have been given another question. So sometime this question I am going to do for you. So next time when it will be asked, you have to do it. For the first time, I will tell you how to do this question. Very important question as well. Now you will be given an AP. Sometimes you will be asked what is the term from the end. Now let me see. Let me tell you. I don't want anybody to do the question and tell me the answer till I say. Okay. So let us say A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose these are how many terms? 6 terms. If I ask you generally, what is the first term from the end? Can you tell me what is the first term from the end? F. What is the second term from the end? E. E. D. Like that. Are you getting it? Now, sometimes they ask you the question, find the 11th term from the last term. Okay, again I am writing it. Let us say I am writing some numbers. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Now E is which term of the AP? Tell me, it is the Fifth term of the AP from the front. From the back, it is which term?
Second.
Second term. If you add them, how many terms you are having?
7.
7. Are you having 7 terms? Are you having 7 terms? No, come on. Here I have only 6 terms. So that means that logic will not apply. Like suppose you say 11th term from the end will be, suppose you are having 30 terms in the AP. Let us suppose that you have 30 terms in the AP, and 11th term from the end if you want to find, you will say it is the 19th term from the front. That logic won't apply here. Are you getting it? That logic, you can't do 30 minus 11, no. So the easiest way of doing it, I will come to that point as well, but the easiest way of doing it, reverse the AP. What you will do? Reverse the AP. So tell me, what is the first term of the AP now? 62.
60.
Now this is a reducing AP or increasing an AP? Oh, this is minus 62, sorry. It is a reducing AP. So that means if you reverse it, it is the increasing AP. Increasing AP means if the D is minus 3, now the D will be plus 3. So what will be the next term? Minus 59. What will be the last term? The first term. Are you getting it? Can you do this for me? Can you reverse the AP for me? Tell me. For the first time I am doing it. For the next question you have to do it by yourself. Is it clear to everybody how to reverse the AP? The D will be changed. The sign of the D will be changed, and the first term will be the last term of the given AP, and the first term of the given AP will be the last term of the AP that you will form. You have to reverse the AP. Is that clear to everyone?
सर अगर AP इंक्रीजिंग होता तो
बेटा आपका D डिक्रीज हो जाता, तो आपका D उल्टा हो जाता. आपको AP को इधर से देखना है ना. अगर मान लो कोई चीज ऐसे जा रही है, तो अगर आप इधर से देखोगे तो बढ़ रही है ना. अगर वो अगर मान लो,
Sir, is it minus 33?
which one? See, I told you not to do the question before I say, beta. You have to focus on what I'm saying. Okay, I'm not concerned about the answer. Answer you can figure out. Okay, you just focus what I'm saying. Okay, I know you can figure out the answer, beta. Figuring out the answer is not a big deal, but your concept should be correct. So what I'm saying is, if the common difference is positive, on reversing the AP, your common difference will become negative. This you have to keep in the mind. All right. Now let us find. So the 11th term from the previous will be now the 11th term from the front. So you need to find A11. What is A11? You know. So minus 62 plus 10 times. What is that? D is how much? D is plus 3. So minus 62 plus 30 is how much? Minus 32. Understood? Any doubt? Tell me. Is this clear? Are you writing this? Main notebook. आलिया आ रहा है समझ में? ओके. आगे बढ़े.
सर ये AP को रिवर्स करने वाला दोबारा से एक बार समझा दो.
ओके. तो आप एक AP फॉर्म करो बेटा. चलो आप मेरे लिए एक AP फॉर्म करोगे. बताओ कोई भी एक AP बताओ.
सर कैसा इंक्रीजिंग की?
जो मन करे आपको बताओ. आपको खुली छूट है क्योंकि आपने सवाल पूछा है, तो आप बताओ ताकि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा हो. बताओ कोई भी AP बताओ.
10.
ओके.
13.
ओके.
16.
ओके. और कहाँ पे जाके इसको स्टॉप करें? इसको स्टॉप कहाँ पे करेंगे वो भी ढूंढ के बताओ मुझे.
मतलब कितने टर्म्स होने चाहिए
वो आप तय करोगे. आप बता दो मुझे कोई भी आखिरी टर्म बता दो इसका. कोई भी आप 100वां टर्म निकाल लो. मुझे पहले बताओ इसका an क्या होगा. मुझे बताओ an क्या होगा इसका. What will be an? मुझे नॉर्मल तरीके से चाहिए ए एन प्लस बी के फॉर्म में बताओ व्हाट विल बी ए एन फॉर दिस. इट विल बी 3n प्लस 7. आ रहा है समझ में? क्विकली अगर आपको ए एन निकालना है जल्दी से कैसे निकालोगे? सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस? इट इज 3. सो 3n प्लस 7. व्हाई 3n प्लस 7? बिकॉज 3 प्लस 7 इज 10. ऑल राइट, अब इसका कोई भी टर्म निकाल लो, 100 टर्म निकाल लो, 14, जो भी आपको निकालना है. मुझे लास्ट टर्म बता दो. व्हाट विल बी द लास्ट टर्म? What will be the last term? बताओ हार्दिका.
सर 66.
66. सभी के लिए क्वेश्चन है. एवरीबडी, द क्वेश्चन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. आई विल गिव यू नॉट मोर देन 1 minute. द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड 15th term from the end. Find 15th term from the end. Time starts now. वर्तिका, एपी को पलट के लिखो और पलट के लिखने के बाद आप उसका 15th टर्म फाइंड करो, यानी a प्लस 14d फाइंड करो. Let me see who tells me first. 108. ये एपी तो घट रही है, 108 आगे कैसे जाएगी? वो तो आखिरी टर्म है. गजब आदमी. घटती एपी का 108 कैसे हो जाएगा? क्यों करना है वो आपको पता होना चाहिए, तो मैंने बोल दिया.
सर 30 है.
कितना आया बेटा?
सर मेरा 30 आ रहा है.
30 आ रहा है. ओके, लेट मी चेक. So 66 plus minus 3 into 14. So 66 minus 42. 6 minus 2 is 4.
सर मैंने गलती से 13 ले लिया. मैंने फिर वो 12 से कर दिया, तभी गलत आया.
तो यही सब पाप तो तुम करते हो. जब आगे बढ़ते हुए +3 है तो लौटते समय एपी क्या बन जाएगी बताओ? उस एपी को जब आप लिखोगे 66 के बगल में, मैं आपसे निकलवाता हूं उसका आंसर, कि जब आप उसको निकालोगे सेकंड वाला नंबर क्या आएगा? We all want the answer to be taken from you. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Is that clear, Alia? एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा. वर्तिका, is that clear to everyone? आ गया तुमको समझ में? लक्ष्मी, who was telling me 33 something like that? कौन बोल रहा था? 36 किसने बोला था? आलिया तुमने बोला था कुछ?
No, sir. No, I told the previous one. I told 33. I messed that up.
How you got 33 for the previous one when it was, I think, 32, negative 32?
I wrote the formula itself wrong, sir. Instead of t, I took a minus 1.
Is that clear to everyone? Partika, अभी आ गया समझ में? हैं? Shall I give you one more question? Shall I give you one more question?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I will ask you two questions. The first question is, you have to tell me the general term in the form of an plus b. I don't want a plus n minus 1 into d. No, I want in the form of an plus b. Okay, I'm writing the AP in front of you. So 4, 7, dot dot dot. Tell me what is an quickly. An is what?
3n plus 1.
Very good. 3n plus 1. Okay. Now I'm saying that an the last term is going to be 103. The last term is going to be 103. You have to find out the 17th term from the end, and your time starts now. 1 minute. 1 minute for the question. Okay.
55.
55. Okay, I got two answers for 55.
55.
55. Everybody is getting 55. So 103 plus 16 into minus 3. So 103 minus 48. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. So Asad and Aditi and Kritik, you are not involved. Completely you are lost. All of you have switched off your camera. Unmute. Kritik, you said 55? Aditi, किधर हो तुम?
सर
आ गया 55 सबका? असद आ गया? आराध्या बेटा किधर हो आप? आ गया?
मेरा आगे
ठीक है. सो ये वाला भी आ गया तुमको समझ में? ओके. नाउ एग्जांपल 9. Okay. A sum of rupees 1000 is invested. So can you tell me what is given in the first part of this sentence? If I say if sum of rupees 1000 is invested, what is given to us? What can I draw the information? A. That is the first term of the AP. What I can get? A. A is how much? Rupees 1000. Invested at 8% simple interest per year. So what is D? Can anybody tell me what is D? D is how much?
10.
हैं?
10 होएगा सर.
10 कैसे हुआ?
सर 80 होगा शायद.
Yes. What is 8% of 1000? What is 8% of 1000?
80.
So what is D? D is 80. Very good. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interest form an AP? The answer is yes. Why? Why they are forming an AP? Because of this word.
It is simple interest.
If it is a compound interest, it is not an AP. Is that an GP? Is not a GP as well. That is not a GP as well. Alright. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do the interest form an AP? Yes. If so, find the interest at the end of the 30 years making use of this fact. So I want this answer. I don't want the other answers. I want this answer. Let me see who is going to do it first. The time given is not more than 1 minute. You know what is A, you know what is D, you know what is being N. You need to find 830 quickly.
Sir, 24,000.
I don't know. Come on.
Sir, 2400.
Sir, 24. No, sir, it is 24,000 only.
Okay. Let me check.
2400. Yeah, it is 2400. It is 2,400.
I am getting a different answer from all of you.
Sir, how? Sir,
What?
the simple interest formula is PRT by 100, right?
I am not concerned with that. We are learning AP. Tell me, what is the first term? What is the first term?
1,000.
What was the common difference? What was the common difference?
80.
Everybody told me 80. I agreed on that. Which term we have been asked?
38.
830.
30. So,
What is 830? Tell me, is it not A plus 29D? Is it not A plus 29D?
Sir, 3,320 आ रहा है.
Yes. आपको एक कम 30 - 1 सोचना ही नहीं, आप सीधे 21 एक कम सोचो ही आप। 30 पे मतलब 29 ही सोचना है। D is 80. So Lakshmi, understood?
Yes, sir.
How
I
to?
did simple interest for.
Okay, I will tell you where you lag in the simple interest formula as well. I will tell you that as well. First, this is the way to get the answer quickly. Now I will come to your way of doing it as well. Don't worry, I'm not going to run away from the way that you are doing it. I will find the mistake in your way as well.
Okay.
And who else got 2400? Vartika, you also got 2400. Same answer. How two persons sitting at two different places getting the same answer? And
Sir, I did it.
one of you got 24,000 as well. How can you get 23,000 interest? Which bank is giving you 23,000 in 23 times of the amount that you have invested? I also want to invest my money in that account. All of your fees, I will not take it. I will invest in that bank because it is giving me 23 times in 30 years. In fact, gold has not gone 23 times. So you have to apply the logic as well. That 24,000 will be given in the option and you will click it. A, 24,000, I got it. You have to check using this. A plus 2090. Now let us take Vartika's way. Vartika, tell me beta, what you have done? So SI formula SI लगाया, PRT by 100. बताओ वर्तिका कैसे किया आपने? वर्तिका बताने की हो रही है बेटा।
सर जैसे अभी आपने कहा था वैसे।
तो मैंने कैसे बताया था आपको? 2400 कैसे आया?
नहीं, जो अभी आप इससे पहले बोले थे PRT by 100 वैसे।
अच्छा, मैं वही जानना चाहता हूँ, PRT by 100 भी मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कैसे आ रहा है, क्योंकि आंसर तो एक ही आएगा, उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक ही आएगा। अगर गलत आ रहा है तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे सोच रहे हो तुम, यानी जो तुमको आता है उसमें भी गलती कर रहे हो। तो पहले मुझे तुम्हारी गलतियां पकड़नी है कि मान लो तुम ये तरीका भूल गए, तुमको जो आता है उसी तरीके से करो, पर उसमें भी तो गलत कर रहे हो, तो वो मुझे जानना है कि क्या किया तुमने, मुझे बताओ। PRT by 100 किया तो 1000 आपका,
I got to know it, sir.
this is P, what is R? R is 8%, time is 30 years, यही फॉर्मूला लगाया, okay. 0 0 0 0, so 8 into 3 is how much? 24. 2400 you are getting. Is this simple interest or is it, tell me, it is the amount? This is the simple interest. This is the simple interest, you are getting it. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is the principal? Principal is 1000. So you must have got 3400. Are you getting it? You must have got 3400 as your answer. It should not be 3320. Are you getting it? It should not be 2400. It should be 3400, at least the way that you are doing it. Are you getting it? Now, have we done any mistake? Let us check the answer in both the cases. So the real answer is 2400, but we lack the answer by some amount, that is 80 rupees. We have been lessened by 80 rupees. Are you getting it? See the difference between the answer. I told the answer is this. She told me the answer is 2400. Answer came out to be 3400. Now what is being asked? Calculate the interest at the end of 30 years. Okay, at the end of 30 years, interest was asked. We have been not asked how much is the amount. So this is what? This is the amount we think at the end of 30 years as we calculated it. She told me 2400, which is the right answer. Initially she told 24,000, but 2400 is the right answer using the formula of PRT by 100, right? But what is the amount? Amount is going to be 3400 and 2400. So why the difference between these two? Tell me. Why there is a difference between these two? Either I have got wrong or she has got wrong, but the book is saying she has done it correctly. So where I have gone wrong? And you all can do either this way or this way. So how to find which way is correct, and we can be more rely on that particular way so that our answer is never incorrect. So what we have missed in this part? Yeah, you have to figure out what is the mistake in this. Lakshmi. Lakshmi is now happy. I got the correct answer. So now I have to figure out the mistake in the sir questions.
Oh, sir, no, I'm sir, I'm trying to figure out the mistake.
Alia, figure out the mistake, beta.
Sir, it is.
Hmm?
Wait, what?
Multiply by
Sir, the multiplication, everything is correct.
Yeah, then why we are getting two different answers? Interest भी सही है. Shall I tell you? Shall I reveal the answer now?
सर 80
कुछ गलत ही नहीं होगा बीच में,
हाँ?
कुछ गलत ही नहीं होगा बीच में.
No, there is a difference. बेटा देखो सही answer is 2400 is the right answer. But हमारे हिसाब से the answer is coming as 3000. Sorry, it is coming as 2320. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया हमने, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ही लिया. क्या गलती है? गलती देखो कहाँ पे, लैंग्वेज देखो बेटा, मैथ्स की लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश देखो, इंग्लिश.
सर इंटरेस्ट
जब हमने ए निकाला, ए इज द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर. ठीक है. वी हैव बीन आस्क्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द 30th ईयर. एट द एंड ऑफ 30th ईयर मींस कौन सा ईयर हुआ? 31st ईयर.
Oh, okay.
Are you getting it?
So it is like A plus 30D. A
Yes.
plus 30D.
So this will not be 30, this will be 31, and this will be 30D. And when you will do A31, it will be 1000 plus 30 times D is 30 times 80, which is equal to 1000 plus 2400. So this is the interest and this is the principal and the total is the amount. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
So it is asked.
Yes,
It is
sir.
asked. You see the question of English. See the magic of English. They are asking at the end of the 30 years. So you might be thinking A is 30. A is not 30. A is 31 because you are calculating from the starting to start. Are you getting it? I want to show
Yes,
this on this number line. Let us suppose this is the jump. Can you tell me what is D?
2.
2.
2.
Okay. What is the starting point? 0. If I ask you how much I will get at the end of first, second, third, fourth jump. At the end of fourth jump, how much I will get? At the end of fourth jump. So you might be thinking it is A plus 3D. But at the end of fourth jump, at which place you are coming? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So end of fourth term is actually the start of fifth term. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
पीछे वाली स्लाइड
So dumb.
नहीं, पहला सवाल ये है कि 831 ही क्यों निकाला. समझ गए? एंड ऑफ 30 मतलब स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 31st. वेरी गुड. तो 831 निकाला, सब आंसर सही आ गया. यही गलती थी इस क्वेश्चन में. हाँ, A plus 30D किया तो 30 into 8 2400 आ गया आंसर. इसमें 3 पोर्शन है. ये प्रिंसिपल है. 3400 तो आपका इंटरेस्ट है, वो आया ना टोटल अमाउंट. उस अमाउंट में से प्रिंसिपल माइनस कर दो, इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा आपका. 1000 माइनस कर दो 3400 में, 2400 आ जाएगा आपका. आपको इंटरेस्ट चाहिए था ना. क्वेश्चन अगर अमाउंट पूछता तो 3400 बोलते, अगर इंटरेस्ट बोलता तो 2400 बोलते. आ रहा है समझ में? इंटरेस्ट पूछा है इसलिए 2400 है. Okay, tell me, are you all getting this language of English? So if you have
Yes,
been
sir.
asked, if you will be asked, आलिया आप ध्यान देना, आपके उसमें आ जाएगा. Okay, what is the value at the end of 14th term? So end of 14th term means starting of 15th term. You will not find A14, you will find A15. Are you getting it? Is that clear to everyone? I deliberately did wrong that question so that it should be in your mind. The same thing you will also apply in the examination. You may apply, but now I hope that you will not apply. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so these are very simple questions, and these are fill in the blanks. Let me see who does first. Okay, you have to fill it. So you have 3 variables in every question. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to fill one of them. So tell me, what is an now in this case? This is your first term. So you will jump 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is how much? 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. Now tell me what is D here. Find D in the second question.
Two.
2. 10 times 2 is 20. Sorry, 9 times 2 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Very good, beta. What about A in this case?
Okay.
बेटा आपका लास्ट टर्म क्या है? 0 इज इक्वल टू -18 प्लस n-1 इंटू n कितना दिया हुआ है? 9 दिया हुआ है. 9 इंटू डी, तो डी निकालना है यार. 18
Sir,
वहाँ आ गया.
46.
18 by 9 करोगे 2 आ जाएगा.
So 46 आ रहा है.
46.
एक ही बार.
Yes, sir, मेरा.
फाइंड द नेक्स्ट वन. हाँ, क्या ना आया बेटा समझ में? बोलो. ओके
सर वो फोर्थ वाले में वैल्यूज क्या लिखिए?
बेटा -18.9, 2.5 डैश 3.6. So this is -18.9 बेटा, -18.9 है. 2.5 डैश 3.6. Find out.
Sir, 10.
Okay. Somebody is saying 10. Just check it out if your answer is correct.
नाइन 10 सॉरी.
यस सर 10 ही है.
10 आ रहा है. कृतिक बेटा बताओ, कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हो. यू आर जस्ट कम्प्लीटली म्यूट. यू आर लाइक ए सन इन द क्लास.
सर फिफ्थ का जो n है वो 105 है.
हाँ दिया तो है 105. कृतिक, आर यू देयर इन द क्लास बेटा, और यू हैव रन अवे?
I'm there, sir.
Then why are you not saying any answer?
I'm just writing them down.
You are copying the answer or you are finding the answer as well?
I'm finding them and
Sir,
checking them.
first answer 3.5 है.
किसका बेटा? इसका?
Yes, sir, मेरा भी है.
हाँ.
Is it 3.5? Because the AP is going nowhere. AP, the jump is 0 only. So it will just
0, yeah.
vibrate. The AP will just vibrate, it will not go anywhere. You can think of AP as a car which has got a certain speed. So the common difference is the speed of the car. If the speed is negative, the car will go back. If the speed is positive, the car will go front. If the speed is 0, the car will vibrate at the same place. Done, everyone?
स्पीड का नेगेटिव
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा? गोली मार दोगी मुझे?
स्पीड
Speed-
का
Speed can't be negative. Okay, velocity beta. Velocity. Sorry. Velocity can be negative. Okay, good one. बच्चे भी मजे ले रहे हैं. ठीक है. Choose a correct choice of the following and justify. Okay, ये सब क्वेश्चन नहीं करने हैं. ये क्वेश्चन करना है. So जब न्यूमेरिकल ऐसा आ जाए, okay. So the time given is 1 minute.
सर ये एमसीक्यू है ना?
MCQ है बेटा, तभी तो 1 मिनट दिया है. ओके 30 सेकंड में कर दिया छोरी ने. हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है, ज्यादा है. तो 22 छोरी ने भी निकाल दिया.
सर B22
B22 आराध्या ने भी निकाल दिया. शाबाश. दो.
यस सर, मेरा भी सेम.
मेरा भी 22 है.
ओके, लक्ष्मी नहीं आ रही है हमारी जिंदगी में. लक्ष्मी बेटा.
Sir, it is option.
ऑप्शन
Yeah,
B.
option B.
ऑप्शन B. कृतिक आपका आया बेटा. असद तुम्हें
नहीं।
इतना स्मार्टी नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं
ओके, so let us find out. असद देखो बेटा ध्यान से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we need to find 11th term. So it will be a plus 10d. What is a? Minus 3. 10 is 10 only. D is how much? D is 5 by 2. If you see, D is going to be 5 by 2. Are you getting it? Everybody got 5 by 2 only? So minus 3 plus 25. How much beta? 22. अब असद तुम्हारे में प्रॉब्लम आया होगा, आपको डी नहीं मालूम चला. हाउ टू फाइंड डी बेटा? -1/2 -3. So the LCM is going to be -3. Sorry. So the LCM is 2. So -1 plus 6. So it is how much? 5/2. ऐसे आपको डी निकालना है बेटा. सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म.
ओके.
क्लियर है? कृतिक, इज इट क्लियर बेटा?
यस
सौम्या, कर रहे हो आप?
हाँ सर.
मतलब पैकिंग तो नहीं कर रहे हो?
नहीं सर.
Okay. Now let me see if you all can do these questions quickly. You will need to find the middle term. So I told you the sum of first and last term is the, if you find the
40.
average. How much?
40.
14. Okay. This is 14. Tell me for this.
Sir, the third term of this. Sir, I can't see your screen properly. Like I can see Vartika's video. I can't see.
Okay, you just pin my video, beta. Don't look
Yes,
at
sir.
Vartika's video. Pin my video.
Sir, the third term is 8.
हाँ, third term. Okay, 13
Third
plus
term is 8.
8. Okay,
Third term is 8 and then 18.
very good.
18.
Wonderful. Now find this. How much jump you are doing?
1, 2,
So in 3 jump you are going 4.5. You are moving 4.5. So in 1 jump how much? 1.5. 15 3 जा 45 होता है. So in 3 jump है 1 2 3.
6 1 by 2 and 8.
So it will be 6.5 and 8. So 6 1 by 2, we can write 6 1 by 2 and 8. Very good. Okay, fine for this. 1 2 3 4 5. In 5 jumps you are going how much? Tell me.
Minus 4 plus 6. 10.
10. So what is the one jump?
2. So minus 2,
Minus 2.
0,
0,
2,
2,
4.
4.
Find out next one. How many jump? 1 2 3 4. 4 jump. See what is the difference?
4, 8, 32, and 4.
Huh?
Wait, not for, sir, not for.
सर 53 होगा फर्स्ट.
हाँ?
53 होगा फर्स्ट.
नहीं, मुझे बताओ 4 जंप में अगर इतना गए तो डी कितना है? कितना गए? डिफरेंस बताओ. 60 है डिफरेंस. minus 60. So the difference is coming as 60 difference, negative 60. So that means you are going 15, 15, 15. So you will add 15 backward. So it is going to be 53. Forward you will subtract. So it is going to be 23. Then 30 gap. So it will be 8. No, 3 minus 7. Okay, sorry. Is that clear to everyone? Asad?
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi?
Yes.
Clear
Yes,
है?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
आलिया, तुमको आ रहा है? तुम्हारे लिए क्लास चल रही है? आ रहा है तुमको? नींद तो नहीं आ रही है? नींद आ रही है? तो तुम छोड़ के जाओ, सो जाओ तुम.
नहीं सर, करना है काम. आज 7 चैप्टर करने हैं.
तुम्हारे स्कूल वालों ने तुम्हारा भूत बना दिया है, तो और कुछ नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारा. तुम्हें पता है आलिया के पूरे बुक में 22 चैप्टर्स हैं और उसमें से 10 चैप्टर आ रहे हैं अभी यूटी में, जो कि 80 मार्क्स का हो रहा है. तुम बताओ जस्टिफाइड है ये? 2.5 महीने पढ़ते हुए उसको 2.5 महीने में कोई पागल 10 चैप्टर करा देगा? मैं तो नहीं करा सकता भाई. मैं तो करा ही नहीं सकता किसी को भी. कितना भी तुर्रम का स्टूडेंट आ जाए, कितना भी पढ़ के आ जाए, मैं नहीं करा सकता 2.5 महीने में 10 चैप्टर. नहीं, कभी नहीं करा सकता 10
उनकी
चैप्टर.
टीचर ने बहुत जल्दी कुछ तो करके लिखा दिया रहेगा, बस ताकि बस प्रूफ के लिए हो जाए कि हाँ पढ़ाया है मैंने.
हाँ, तो मुझे ये जानना है कि आलिया पढ़ाया क्या है? खाया तो सारा ही होगा, पढ़ाया क्या है स्कूल में? कौन सा चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ाया है?
सर कोई नहीं कराया. एक क्वेश्चन करा के कहते हैं ये 5 क्वेश्चन सिमिलर है, मैं छोड़ रही हूँ, सीधा आप 10वें पे आओ.
मतलब हर चैप्टर से 3-3 क्वेश्चन कराया, पहला, 5वां और आखिरी.
सर मैक्सिमम 6 करवाएंगे, इससे ज्यादा नहीं करवाएंगे.
तो उन्हीं 6 में से आएगा भी. फिर टीचर की इतनी औकात नहीं है कि उन 6 से बाहर दे देगा, उसी में से देगा तुमको, क्योंकि उनको अपना रिजल्ट भी तो बनाना है. नहीं तो स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल बेचारे उनकी जान ले लेंगे कि कैसा पढ़ाया तुमने, सारे बच्चे फेल हो गए. बच्चे तो वही हो, गाजर तो वही खाया तुमने, पंजाब का ही है राशन. राशन तो सेम ही है पंजाब का. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई बंदा कुछ ऐसे काजू खा लेगा, कोई बादाम खा लेगा कि मैं जाके एग्जाम दे आऊंगा. सबका सेम राशन है बेटा. तो मैं बता रहा हूँ पूरी क्लास फेल हो जानी है अगर उन्होंने पेपर अच्छा सेट कर देना है. तो वो पास करने के लिए वही 6 क्वेश्चन कराएंगे जो उन्होंने कराया है. ठीक है, पर फिर भी तुम्हारी खातिर हम लोग यहाँ पे कुड़ रहे हैं. 2-2 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं सारे बच्चे. इसके चेहरे पे बचाओ बर्थडे को लेके पैकिंग करने के मूड में है. ये बेचारी यहाँ पढ़ रही है 2.5 घंटे. है वर्तिका गाँव जाने के मूड में है. अदिति गाँव में ही है. लक्ष्मी को साइंस पढ़ना है, बेचारी एपी पढ़ रही है. सिर्फ तुम इन सब के जिम्मेदार तुम्हारा स्कूल है. तुम नहीं हो, तुम्हारा स्कूल है. चलो, तो भूत तो बन गए हम लोग.
सर मेरे वो जो फाइनल टर्म है 9th के 17 फेब को खत्म हुए थे, 18 से 10 स्टार्ट कर दी. 18 फेब.
ये कहानी तो सभी स्कूल की है. मेरे बेटे के भी स्कूल में यही हुआ था, केवी को छोड़ के बाकी सभी स्कूल की यही कहानी थी. सौम्या को थोड़ा आराम मिला था. सौम्या कुछ
एक हफ्ते का आराम मिला था।
एक
नहीं
हफ्ते
सर,
का।
हमारे स्कूल में नहीं हुआ था ऐसा।
मैंने बताया था केवी और एयरफोर्स स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं होता, वो लोग चिल रहते हैं, उनको पता है कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बाकी सभी स्कूल्स में सेम कहानी है, जो आलिया तुम्हारे साथ घटित हुआ है आगे पीछे सभी के स्कूल में वैसे ही घटित हुआ है। वो ये भी डर रहे थे कि कहीं एडमिशन कहीं और ना चला जाए, 9th का रिजल्ट देख के बच्चे भाग जाए। ओके, उनको ये भी रहता है कि बच्चे कहीं भाग ना जाएं।
तो हमारी क्लास में 35 बच्चे हैं बस।
35 बच्चे?
मेरे पिछली क्लास में 17 बच्चे थे बस, बाकी सब भाग गए।
तुम कौन से स्कूल में थी?
केवी।
केवी में बच्चे कैसे भागते हैं? केवी में तो मरते हैं लोग एडमिशन।
केवी में तो बच्चे आते हैं ज्यादा।
सबका ट्रांसफर हो गया था, तो 2-3 महीने के लिए सिर्फ 17 बच्चे ही थे।
अच्छा, तो भागे थोड़ी, वो तो ट्रांसफर हो गया था। So Aditi's father is a very good hockey player. So I was with him for 2-3 months where we played together. I was the goalkeeper. He was hitting all the shots on me only. So I was like, ah. Okay. Now, which term of the AP is 3, 8? So you must know how to do this question. Just do it in 1 minute. You know what is A, what is D, what is being asked. आराध्या बोली लंच का टाइम, डिनर का टाइम हो गया, अभी क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं?
अरे नहीं, कोई तो पता नहीं कहीं से बाहर से ऐसे कोई कुछ चिल्लाने की आवाज आ रही थी, पता नहीं कौन चिल्ला रहा है।
अरे तुमने बता दिया होगा एपी पढ़ रही हो।
16th।
मुझे नहीं पता, आंसर और बताओ।
हाँ सर, 16th है।
16th है।
मतलब तुम लोगों की 10th पास करने के बाद जो एज होगी वही है?
सर 16 सर।
16 का डोला?
Yes, sir, it is 6.
नहीं सर, मैं जब पास होंगी तो मैं 15 साल की ही होंगी।
अच्छा,
सेम सर, मैं भी 15 की।
तुम लोगों का बचपन में एडमिशन हो गया था क्या? तुम भी 15 के ही हो जाओगे? अच्छा, चलो यार। तो घर में ऐसे मत बोलना कभी कि मैं 15 की हो गई हूँ। ऐसे तो नहीं बोलते मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ, हैं? जब पीटे जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि मैं तो छोटा ही बच्चा हूं मैं। जब ऐसे कोई डिसीजन लेना होता है तो बोलते हैं मैं बड़े हो गए। आंसर 16 है।
और मेरे तो घर वाले ऐसे चेंज होते रहते हैं, तू बड़ी हो गई है, तू छोटी हो गई है।
अच्छा, ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा।
सर स्टेट का आपने कराया हुआ है।
तो अब नहीं करना?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, बस बोल रही हूँ।
ओके, मतलब तुम्हारी आंखें बहुत शार्प हैं, क्योंकि मैंने देखा क्वेश्चन काटने से पहले तुम क्वेश्चन देख के याद कर लेती हो। वेरी गुड, मानना पड़ेगा भाई। 6/3 है तुम्हारी आंखें। शुरू करो, अभी ह्यूमन आई में पढ़ेंगे। आराध्या की आंखों की फोटो खींचाई है यहाँ पे। फाइंड आउट। तो मैं एक हिंट दे देता हूं, 11 से 16 जाओगे तो कितने का जंप है? 5 का जंप है। 5 के जंप में कितने का डिफरेंस आ रहा है?
So 35.
35।
So 7 is 30.
कॉमन डिफरेंस। वेरी गुड बेटा, कॉमन डिफरेंस। अच्छा आलिया, तुमने जो मैसेज देखा था उसके बीच के गैप में काम हो गया तुम्हारा? मैंने अब देखा मैसेज। अच्छा ओके, तो वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाया था उतनी देर में वो मिस हो गया तुमसे?
नो सर, आ गया लेकिन समझ, इधर ही जाना था पास में।
तो ये तो फॉर्मेलिटी करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है तुमको, तुम ऐसे, ये तो अच्छे बच्चे करते हैं बेटा। तुम अच्छे बच्चे क्यों बन रही हो? ये सब नहीं करना है, चले
नहीं
जाओ।
सर, आप इधर बोलते रहो, आले आले आले, आगे से कुछ
अच्छा।
बोल लेना।
वो तो मैं पकड़ता ना तुमको, फिर बोलता देखो ये भाग गए बीच से, जैसे कृतिका से तो आराध्या। कृतिक कृतिक कृतिक, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
यस
Sir,
सर।
is the answer 248?
I don't know. What is the answer? Tell me. 5 into 2, 10? No. 7.
248. I'm getting.
248?
Yeah.
178.
बाप रे बाप, सब गलत करते हो। एक क्वेश्चन दे दे तो फंस जाते तुम लोग। देखो कैसे करना है। So A16 minus A11 is equal to 5D, which is equal to 73 minus 38. All right. So you will write 5D is equal to how much? 35. So D will be equal to 7. This is how you will get the first part. कितना टाइम लगा बेटा? 17 seconds. Now again you will write 811 is equal to A plus 10D. So that means A plus 10 into 7, that is 70, which is equal to what? 38. That means A is going to be negative 32. Now we got A, we got D. We need to find 31st term. So it will be equal to A plus A31 will be equal to A plus 30D. So A is how much? Negative 32. 30 into 7. 30 into 7 is how much? 210. So 210 minus 32. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 20 minus 3 is 17. So the answer is 178. 1 minute का क्वेश्चन था. Tell me who is not getting this? किसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? एग्जाम में you have to do like this only. Is it clear?
Sir, can you explain from that? So we have to do it like separately.
What separately, beta? See this. A16 minus A11 is how much? What is the jump? What is the jump? 5D. 5D is
Part
equal
is
to.
clear, sir.
So you got D right. So you will replace D in this equation to get what is A.
Okay.
You need to
Okay.
have two things. You need to have two things, A and D. This is not a question of linear equation in one variable. This is a question of linear equation in two variables. You need to find two variables. You need to find D. You got D using this one equation, and then you got A using the second equation. All right. Now you have A and D. You need to find. You have to substitute in the third equation to find the A31st term. Understood?
Yes.
Is that clear to everyone? Clear है? Shall I proceed? Okay. Now you know what is the meaning of exceeds?
-1.
नहीं बेटा, exceed means उससे ज्यादा है, more. Exceed means more. वो successor और predecessor होता है जो आप कह रहे हो, वो exceed नहीं होता है. That is predecessor and successor.
Increase, right?
Exceed means more बेटा, more. वो हिंदी वाला more नहीं है, English वाला more है. कहीं तुम peacock समझ लो.
It increases, right, sir?
Yes. So the 17th term of the AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. That means they are saying the difference between 17th and the 10th term is 7. All right.
सर
D is 1. Very good. Find the common difference. Understood?
Yeah, D is 1.
Okay. बड़ी जल्दी बता दिया तुमने यार. Next question. ये क्वेश्चन को मल्टीपल चॉइस में भी करेंगे और उसमें भी करेंगे. So first I want you to do it in the multiple choice way. Let me see who can find out fastly, as fast as you can, fast and furious. So your question is this: you are able to see the question? No, only Aradhya will be able to see because he can see in dark as well. She is a cat. Now the question starts. Shalja Dwivedi has paid 338 rupees. Oh, please do it. ये अब
सर
लक्ष्मी
क्लास कब तक खत्म होगी सर?
क्लास बेटा अब चलती रहेगी. अब बताओ मुझे कब खत्म करना है. जाना है तुमको कहीं? Okay, so let's end the class now. Everybody can leave it. Who all wants to leave it can leave it. Alia, you also want? अगर तुम चली गए तो हम क्लास ही बंद कर देंगे. ठीक है, तुम्हारे लिए क्लास चल रही है. So खत्म कर दें क्लास या चलते रहने दे? थोड़े से और क्वेश्चन देखने हैं.
तो बाकी कल देख लेंगे.
कल तो बेटा सम करना है. अभी तो सम पे पहुंचे नहीं हम. तो तुम एक काम करना, अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक के सारे बिना सम वाले क्वेश्चन लगा लो. कल हम सम कर लेंगे. ठीक है, क्लियर है? तो वर्तिका जाओ, बाय, टाटा. बाकी बच्चे रहो यहाँ पे. ये क्वेश्चन करके जाओ यार.
क्लास तो बेटा चल.
ये वाला क्वेश्चन करके जाओ. चलो शाबाश.
सर इसका ये कैसे करना है एक बार समझा दो.
ओके, ये तो मजा आ गया यार. ये तो लड़की फंस गई. चलो देखो ध्यान से. ओके सब लोग, सबका ध्यान इधर, सबका ध्यान इधर. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? ठीक है, 54th term से कितना ज्यादा है? 132. Now see the question. Suppose you think I am a monkey, frog. So 132 more from the 54th term. Now you think that I am standing on 54th term. So I will jump, dung, 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 and I will reach up to how much space I will cover? 132. How much space I will cover? 132. Divided by how much? What is the common difference? Can you tell me? What is the common difference? Tell me quickly. 12. So how many times I will jump? 11 times. I am starting from where? 54th term. So 55, 56. So 54 plus 11. So 65th term. Easy. ये किसकी ट्रेन भाग गई? इतनी जल्दी तो मैंने नहीं कराया था कि ट्रेन की स्पीड में करा दिया. शताब्दी गई किसी की.
फंस गई थी.
अच्छा फंस गई थी तुम? कहाँ? बस गई. ओके. मतलब तुम क्या उस पे रहती हो क्या? बस स्टैंड पे?
सर बाहर से जाती रहती है गाँव.
अच्छा मैंने एक घर देखा था, ऐसे घर था और इसके बीच से रोड गई हुई थी. उन्होंने बीच में टोल लगा दिया. बोला जो भी जाएगा पैसा देके जाएगा. ऐसा हुआ था, देखा है किसी ने? फिर वो जमीन सरकार ने खरीदी उनसे. अच्छा नहीं, स्कैम हुआ था. हाँ हैदराबाद में, वहाँ हुआ था. गुजरात में हुआ था, गुजरात में. उन्होंने क्या किया, मैं बताता हूँ क्या किया. ऐसे रोड जा रही थी, उन्होंने देखा यहाँ पूरी खाली जमीन है, इधर पे उन्होंने बड़ी सी वो लगाई छत, ऐसे पूरा कवर कर दिया इसके बीच से, और एक नकली टोल लगा दिया. और 2 साल तक जितनी गाड़ियां जा रही थी सबसे टोल वसूल रहे थे वो. 2 साल के बाद पता क्या, हजारों, मतलब मुझे लगता है 64 समथिंग करोड़ का स्कैम था. 1000 करोड़ का तो नहीं था, 64 करोड़ का तो था. तो तुम लोग ऐसा जरूर करना लाइफ में. ये गलत बात है, ऐसा नहीं करना है तुम लोग. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा करना तो मुझे पार्टनर बना लेना. कोई आइडिया आता है मुझे बताना. ओके, सो इज दिस फाइन? समझ में आया कैसे करना? हाउ टू डू इट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me explain the normal way. This was the train way. ट्रेन से कैसे करना है, स्पीड में कैसे करना है, that I told you. Now the normal way.
लेकिन एपी तो मतलब स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट हो रही है ना, 54th टर्म से थोड़ी हो रही है
बेटा. लेकिन 132 मोर देन बोला ना इससे, तो 54th टर्म से 132 आगे जाओगी ना तुम. समझ में आया? Now let me tell you the normal way. So A is how much? 3. What is D? 12. Okay. Now 54th term. So if I ask you what is A54, it will be it will be A plus 53 into D. So A is 3 plus 53 into 12. So 3 plus 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into 5 60, 63, 636. So you will get 696. They are saying 132 more than 696. So what you will do, you
Sir,
will
it is 66, 600.
639, sorry, it is 639. Okay, so you have to add 132 to 639. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 771. Now we need to find which term is 771. So 771 minus 3 divided by d is how much? 12 plus 1 is equal to n. Are you getting it? I applied the formula directly. 771 an minus a upon d plus 1. So this is going to be 768 divided by 12 plus 1. So 12 into 6 is 72. Then 12 into 4 is 48. So n is going to be 65. N is coming as 65. Understood? Now this is a big way of doing it. If the question is of 3 marks, you have to show the teacher, this is how I got it. But if the question is of 1 mark, you have to kill the question. How to kill it? You are standing on 54th term. You need to go 132 more. What is d? D is 12. We found d. So how much jump you will take? 11 more jump. So from 54, you will take 11 more jump. You will reach at 65. Understood? दोनों तरीके समझ में आ गया आलिया? अब नहीं भी आया तो बोल रही है जाना ही पड़ेगा सर, सोना है मेरे को. Okay, so everybody done with the question now? So tomorrow we are going to, I just want to give you one more question. Okay, this is a question in front of you I am going to ask. If the difference between two AP, if the difference between the first term of two AP, let this be the first term, I don't know, and this be the first term of second AP, I am writing it as A dash. If the difference between them is 100, okay, and they are having the same common difference, the common difference is also same. What is the difference between a 1000th term minus a 1000 of this AP? If the difference between two APs is, if the difference between the first term of two AP is 100, what is the difference between their 1000 term if the common difference is same?
Sir, 100.
100 only, because the common difference is same. So they will be going at the same speed. So the number of jump is same. So the difference is same. So it will be 100 only. Okay, this is a question asked and it is a tricky question. Some of the students will give the answer as 1000. Let me show you the question. Just showing the question. Oh, very next question only. This was my favorite. So next week also we will do more questions on AP from Wednesday. See this, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? So people will say 1000. The answer is 100 only. Understood? The difference between their second term is also 100. The difference between their third term is also 100. You can think of two cars which are initially at a distance of 100 meter going at the same speed. Always they will have the same common difference of 100 only. Understood? Is that clear to everyone? Okay,
Yes,
so with
sir.
this I am going to end this class today. Okay, very well done everybody. Everybody well done except me. Asad, आप दिख नहीं रहे हो मुझे. You are not being seen, beta. So आज की क्लास में I saw that Lakshmi was very active, Aradhya was very active. असद ने बस एक दो बार बोला सर पता नहीं पता, सेम क्वेश्चन इधर उधर करके. सौम्या ने कभी कभी बोला. आराध्या was very active. कृतिक normally active, बस वो लिख रहा था. वर्तिका was little active and आलिया was वो बीच में गायब हो गई थी. बस इतना ही बोलना मुझे. Very good. समझ में आया सबको? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. चलो, bye.